Hi, Jonathan York from Investment Research Group, looking at the investment markets ahead. An interesting week ahead with a lot of New Zealand companies reporting. We saw Freightways this morning reporting much better results, profits up substantially, and a pretty reasonable growth outlook. But that compares with sort of main freight last week, which were a little bit disappointing. So overall, it appears that Europe is still taking a little bit of its toll on New Zealand earnings. But certainly domestically the rest of the world is still performing reasonably well. The TrustPower bond issue that's in the marketplace, that was heavily oversubscribed. There's been quite a bit of scaling back. I think most of the allocations that were out there have been allocated now, and there's very little of the bonds left. We certainly used up all our allocation, and I think that's pretty much the case in the marketplace now. So very highly sought after bond issue, 675 for 7 years. That's been snapped up pretty quickly by the investing public. The issue about the state asset sales still rumbles on. It's interesting, the media appear to be sort of implying that the sales will be delayed, whereas the government at the moment are still sort of looking to try and get this away in sort of October, November this year. Quite how that's going to pan out, we're not too sure. So we have got a register here of people who are interested in the state asset sales. And if you are interested, call us on 0800 867 323 to register your interest, and we'll keep you updated with developments. On the global share markets, performed reasonably well last week. US earnings were okay. Some were obviously quite a bit better, others a little bit disappointing. But overall the US stock market sort of continues to grind a little bit higher, and the Dow is managing to hold above that 13,000 level, and that should all bode well for as we enter a pretty interesting time. Normally September and October, a pretty interesting couple of months for the share markets, but at the moment they seem to be holding a reasonable bid. So if you're interested in any information on this video, go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.